Okay, in Unit 2, Activity 6 is your comedy activity to finish off this unit. Um, this is where you're going to take what you learned from last activity about protests and activists and everything else, and you're going to have to write a guide for how to actually get people involved and how they can get involved in being part of change and so on. So, in the beginning of this, it discussed how you'd write a guide. Okay. And then here, you are going to imagine that you were hired by a stakeholder group to change some civic issue that you care about. So you're going to have to decide on what that is, okay? And you're going to want to start looking up these things. You're not submitting this, but you're going to use it in your assignment as I get down there a little bit further. So these are the things that you're going to want to look at when it comes to when it comes to writing your guide. Okay, so look at these things and try to find answers to those. Okay. Then it talks about how you can actually make the difference. So, what you're going to do is look back, and then you're going to see these are different ways that you could actually get your message out. Okay. And don't worry about where it says last discussion. Okay. Just use your task right there. Okay. And I think I've changed that on your copy that you'll see anyway. Okay. And here is, you're going to create your how-to guide, which could be a PowerPoint, website, podcast, video, infographic, okay? That should have at least 8 tips or steps and good examples and so on. And if you access the rubric, that's where you will see how you're being graded. There's submit your work. And then this is your citation builder. So for any sources you use, so you properly source the information that you gathered. Okay. So, and that is your comedy activity. It is going to be due the Wednesday night after March break. So you can choose to do this over the March break. You may get started by the end of this week before March break, or you can choose to leave it until after the break. Just remember that I will not be online at all during the March break because I am gone on vacation. So if you message me at all after Friday, excuse me, I will not be getting back to you until Monday when school begins back. Okay. So good luck. And I hope that everyone has a wonderful March break.